Watercolor lang.
Oh, don't react. Baka siya si Amar Solo. Oh, purple yun. Ano pa? Ang galing. Oh, paano hindi ko susuportahan yung pamangkin ko na yan. Nagmana yan sa akin.
Blue.
Yan yung time na gusto ko mag-painting. Abstract po yan. Sabi mo, this is abstract, see?
Straight line na.
Ganyan.
Rain?
Ganyan naman taga tinuturo eh. Horizontal, vertical, horizontal, and then scribble.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Where's yellow?
Oh, see? Marunong siya. Where's yellow? Oh, yan. Oh, diba? Yellow and green na. Kasi hindi niya winash. Oh. Galing!
Lagyan mo ng eyes. Mata.
What? Mata. No, tata, this is abstract.
Your eyes. Nose.
Oh, circle.
Nose.
Oh, sa tubig.
Sa papel kasi ayaw niya nababasa. Eh, di dyan, oh. Wipe mo lang basahan yan, eh. Clean up na yan. Watercolor lang po yan. Huwag na yung pen.
Oh, no.
Ang galing. What's that?
Red color.
Mototo, quiet.
Sa tubig. Water.
Focusing. White. That's black.
It's black.
Black. Wow, galing nga. Parang Korean nga.
Pataas na po ng pataas.
Oh, no.
O, diba, 3? Stop. Quiet.
Ayaw pa nung may ano.
Quiet. Let the baby, See, that's her creation. Huwag niyo kontrahin. Ayaw niya to. Ayaw niya. So, you want this one better. Big one. A big brush.
Sinawa ka ba?
Oo. Tsaka yung madaming kulay, syempre. Oo. Tama. What color next? Green. That's green. Okay. Pick the green color. Scribble like this. Oh, shade like that. Oh, yeah. Like that. Oh, see? Mountain. Oh, see? Ang galing naman ng shade. Oh. Up. Down.
Tapos picturean mo yung gawa niya.
Yan nga. Hindi, nakapicture siya. About blue. Oh, next color blue. You daw first in the water. Wow. Oh, di ba? Blue. Ang galing. Sino ba naman dyan? 2 years old makakagawa ng ganyan. See? Parang may nakikita na akong owlie. 2, 3. Stroke. More color. Don't have color anymore. 6. Oh, see. 6 stroke. 7. Oh, parang nga ibon na yun, oh. May tuka.
Ito yung mata.
Mata, ilong. O, diba? Para tayo nang naisip. Mukha na siyang owlie. Diba? Sino mag-aakala may makikreate siyang ganyan? Lips. Oh. Masa ng head.
Saw sa tubig.
Ibang colors naman, dali. Dagdagan mo ng tubig din yung upload-dawan. Other brush daw. Bibigyan sila ng artwork.
No color.
That's white. It's white. It's okay. You can paint it with white. See? Other color you use. This one, the pink one. Oh, not always green. About that one. You daw first. Don't mix it with the same color like that. Oh, then pink daw. Pink. Where to put the pink color? Oh, yan. Oh, see? Wow. Ayaw niya kasi ng light color. Gusto yung mga black color, green color. Oh, that's a black one. Okay. Wow, is that the mouth? Or a hand? Mouth. Oh, see? Ang galing. Una, shape pa niya ng parang feather. What else now? Diba para siyang owlie? Parang may shape ng Up and down na stroke, no? That's up and down. Kaya nga, sinishadean niya na nga. Oh. Diba? Para siyang may something na ibon.
Tanda ka na talaga.
Oo. See? Wow!
Isang ikot na.
Oh, see?
Naging kamote na.
Ate. No, don't daw.
Ayaw.
Oh no, wag mong kuhanin. Wag mo daw kuhanin yung brush niya. O, change color na tayo. This about the orange color. Here is the orange one. You daw first and then you put in the orange color. Daw. The water. Yellow. Mga favorite color niya kasi yun ang lagi na. Put orange color. For the face. So much water. Watercolor lang yan. Nawawash yan. Di ba sabi mo may ganyan siya? Asa na? Ihanda mo na. Siya nag-alala niya. Sabi niya painting daw.
Yung Oslo paper.
Oh no! Diba? Oh, no water. Stop it there. Where's the, where's the
Light
eyes?
daw on
Oh,
small.
not so much.
Not so
And then
much,
you
but
put
here,
in the
water.
color, oh, yeah, like that. Oh, hindi malabnaw kasi.
Touch it like that. And
Oh, about your hands. Oh.
put the paint on your palm like this.
No, para di na dumihan may kamay niya.
Ayun yung gagawin ko sa canvas niya. Yung kamay niya. First canvas. Madali lang yun.
Yeah, you sing ABC daw, white painting. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. Sing while you're painting. It's so nice. No, my A. It's like an owl, you know? They call it owlie. Ngayon, hindi na siya owlie. Naging pretty bird na. Nagkaroon na ng head, oh. Diba? Nagkaroon ng head. Opsi. Opsi, Lola. Sorry, Lola. Opsi.
Ang ganda-ganda ng gawa mo.
Na para siyang octopus. Ang dami niyang na-create. Octopus. Naging pretty bird. Oh. Shade the face. Oh, no, no more eyes. What happened to the eyes? Not so much. Naku po. Oh, ginawa niya na talagang abstract.
Madaw.
Daw.
Nay, pati yung punuan.
Where's the other brush there? Okay, Tata Hinday. Can I borrow other brush? The blue one? The one? This one, the big one.
No, this one you put.
Oh, there. Baba din.
Inside.
Oo. Change color. Change brush. Kaliwa ka ng pagagawin yan. Kung gusto niya lang. Kasi kala niya inaagaw mo. Diba? Ano yung na-cute? Ay, ang galing naman. Left and right. Siguristan ba? Oo. Sa quiet, boyet. Quiet, boyet, I'm busy.
Nay, tama na po ba ito? Kanina pa nagkulo?
Na.
Yung gabi?
Kung kanina pa, natuyuan na yan. Luto na yan.
Oh, give me that. Oh, put that.